class. My name is Jen. Today I will recite the poem Who Taught the Bird by Jane Taylor. Who taught the bird to build a nest of oil and hay and moss? Who taught her how to weave it best and lay the trees across? Who taught the busy bee to fly among the sweetest flowers and lay a store of honey by the last in winter's hours? Who taught the little ant the way its narrow hole to burrow and through the pleasant summer day and gather up its straw? 'Twas God who taught them all the